Hi there everyone. Today we're going to practice uphill parking. Now I've been using an older model car to make all these videos for you. So today I have a brand new car with brand new features, so I'm going to show you how to handle the newer cars. So you're on the test, the examiner says pull over and park here, which is uphill parking. So you put your right signal on, check your mirror, check your shoulder, get close to the curb, make a complete stop. Now we've got the parking brake here, so we pull it and then you see brake, the light goes on in the dash. Now you know about that saying, use it or lose it. Well, it's a fact. If you don't use your electronics in your car, they will seize upon you, and then one day when you want it to work, it doesn't work. Now there's another way of parking the car, which I could just press this button right here and it will park the car. But I prefer to use the actual parking brake. So I pulled it towards me and it says in the dash, brake. Now we're doing uphill parking with a curb, so the idea is to turn the steering wheel one revolution to the left. So see the clock, it looks like the clock, 12, 6, 3, 9. One revolution to the left. And then you put the car in park. So here's the regulator for the gears, so you turn it towards you for neutral and then press this, and that's how you park the car. And that's how you would operate these new vehicles on the driving test. Now some cars will have a knob somewhere here and you just rotate the knob to select the gear. Well, for this new car, this is park, you press that in, and of course you should be able to see the park here, P, D, and R. So right now the car is parked and you completed your uphill parking. Now the examiner says, okay, let's go. So the first step is straighten the wheel, because remember you turned it to the left. So it's one revolution to the right. Now the wheels are straight. Then release the parking brake by just pushing this button. That's off. And then rotate the dial here to go to drive. Then you signal to the left, check the rear view mirror, check your side mirror and your blind spot over your shoulder, and if it's safe you go. But there's a car approaching from the left, so we let him go. Alright, so they're gone. Just check around again and then drive off in a straight line. Once you're in motion, cancel the signal and you're off. At the street ahead, the next street, we're making a left turn. So just about here. You don't wait until you're there to make the signal, put the signal on. Put it on early. And we're doing 33. Get down to about 20 to 25 into the turn. And then recover. At the stop sign coming up, it's going to be a right turn. And there's a stop sign, so put the right signal on. And what do we have here? We have a white line, so the front bumper stops before that line with the wheels turned to the right. Stop. Check. Watch this car. Check to the right. And then we go. Now, at the lights coming up, it's going to be a left turn. Don't wait until you're way down there to put your signal on. Put it on early and get into the lane. It's best for you to come in on the broken line instead of the solid line like I just did. But anyway, get into your lane as early as possible. Now I have to stop properly, but now the light turned green, so I will inch up behind this vehicle and stop behind the line, wait until he makes his turn, and then you enter the intersection. Now I can enter and there's no one approaching me, so I make my turn and we're off. Now the speed here is 80, so I'm at 80 right now. There's a sign. Now for most of these modern cars, if it so happens that you drive too far or too close to the center line or to the right, then the car actually will take over and it will bring your car back into the center of the lane. Right now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna actually show you what happens if I get close to the center line. See what happens. See that? You can see that the wheel slightly turned to bring me back to the center of the road. So this is a good feature for these new cars. This one is a 2024 Hyundai Sonata, and it's loaded. It's got everything. Anything you can name, it's got it. So see, I got a nice car to give you all these free videos. So the only thing I ask in return is that you like my videos. Even if you don't like them, subscribe anyway. I'd appreciate it. Okay? So like and subscribe. Alright, there's nothing much for me to show you. This is just basic driving. So I'll end this lesson. Okay, so like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.